Lean down the barrel. The yellow bag right there. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna pretend that's the plate. So let's move it over here. Move the plate over here, or wherever you want it to be. And I'll throw out the plate not where I think you want it to be. Okay? That's my fault. Try that one time. That one's a little lighter than that. It's got a big fat sweet spot. A little lighter?
Try throwing it in front of the plate by about a half a foot.
Yeah, but he don't swing at that. Like
Well, I'm just trying to see what's going on with his hips.
There you go. Nice.
He's got what